Guys, welcome back to Gojira Customs. Today I'm going to give you guys first update on the Derelict Diorama rebuild. I know it probably should have came a lot sooner, but I finally have an update for you guys. As you can see, there's a lot less on the diorama from what we saw the last time, but that doesn't spell bad news, because it means progress has been made on it. Probably the most noticeable is that the wall is now removed. I just thought it would give it a lot more of a better open look. It was a little bit too closed off and claustrophobic with that wall. I'm thinking of removing this one as well. When we built the original diorama, those walls were never there. Just sort of added them along the way. Thought that maybe it would give it a better look, but I kind of like the look without it now. There's still a lot of work on the outside. Still gonna have to patch that up. And if I pull that wall out too, I'm gonna have to patch over it. This will probably have to be replaced. It's taking out a lot of damage. And that's just an easy fix as well, and the gate will go too. With regards to the inside, there's still some work to do. It just needs a good cleanup, and then I can begin work on the inside. When it comes to the roof, finally I've decided to put back the old roofs on it. They're made of a sort of corrugated plastic material. I'm not too sure what it is. All I know is that it's very tough and hard to work with. The entire diorama is made out of this material. But it fits pretty perfect. This gate will also be removed. It's almost broken off anyway. So we have to cut it up, make it fit, but I think I'm just going to remove it in the end. Probably going to put this gate over it. Probably make it a lot smaller anyway. And yeah, you guys probably noticed that the yard is now empty. Just cleaned it up, moved everything from it. Gonna repave it. Not too sure what I'm doing with it at the moment. It's gonna focus on everything else until I get a proper idea of what's gonna come there. But the cars are all now just being rebuilt. You know, you guys are still waiting for that Supra and the Evo. And yeah, there you have it, guys. First update on the diorama. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you guys soon.